Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll discuss qualified conservation contributions. A qualified conservation contribution is a contribution of qualified real property interest to a qualified organization that is to be used only for conservation purposes, or a contribution to an organization that is controlled by and operated for the exclusive benefit of a governmental unit or publicly supported charity. The organization, quote, must have a commitment to protect the conservation purposes of the donation and must have the resources to enforce the restrictions, end quote. Conservation purposes are defined as one of the following: preserving areas for outdoor recreation by or for the education of the general public, protecting a relatively natural habitat of fish, wildlife, or plants, or a similar ecosystem, preserving open space, including farmland and forest land, if it yields significant public benefit, or preserving a historically important land area or a certified historic structure.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.